everyone, Jason from Hedge Plus. We're talking livestock for the week. We'll start with hogs, just dribbling lower. That's a market that has not really paid much attention to the China-U.S. trade talks. China's dealing with overcapacity issues of hogs, trying to get their numbers down anyway, so it's not like they need more pork. Right now, it's just 90. I was a seller. If you've been following these videos, you know that. I pulled profit too soon, thinking the market didn't have to go down this far. I do think we snap back at some point to 85 or better. That's where I'm a seller again. Just based off the December contract, you can always go further out if you need to. But just looking for support in this, maybe it goes down to 78. We're still putting in new lows on this downtrend. So 78 to 80, that kind of seems low enough to me. But just cash market's still trading about a $10 premium to the December futures right now. So I think there's a chance we come back a little bit, be ready to sell if we get to 85 or better. Live cattle market, feeder cattle market, obviously the rug got pulled a little bit. Trump saying we need to bring beef prices down, trying to get some Argentina beef imports coming in. That's not going to flood our market and fix our supply tightness situation anytime soon. You still got the Brazil tariffs in place, so we're not getting the imports from Brazil. That's something that's been talked about, the two leaders, Brazil and U.S. Talking, but still have those tariffs in place. The big thing, of course, was the announcement that Mexico, U.S. were going to talk about opening the border. Mexico came out a couple of days ago, said there's no time frame to get the border reopened for imports from Mexico into the U.S. again. That's helping the cattle market snap back again. The big thing is too that we never lost the cash market is still strong. So I think you get back to 240 December live cattle. Maybe you don't go up to the highs again. What happens when you get the rug pull like we did, big move lower? Maybe you saw some of the fund length get out of the way for a little bit. So that might be lost interest in our markets that doesn't come back. But I think you snap back in December live cattle, 240 area. Make sure you're a seller if we get there. Just take advantage of that. Thanks and have a good rest of the week.